Okay, here we are in the mobile. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's the Browning BR-140 26 to 30 megahertz land mobile antenna, quarter wave base loaded with a 49-inch whip on the back. And right now it's untuned, so it's, at least according to the charts, resonant at 26.0. So we'll go down to about 26 and see what happens. This is in AM mode. The 5s. We get the STLs. There's one on 25.910. It's coming out of Texas, I believe. Okay, so let's try up the band there. That's channel 40 in the super lows. We got the connection back there good. And that's with the engine running. Let's try with the engine off. Coming out of Mexico. Alright, we'll try up this one band. This is the 40 channels below legal mid-band in Europe, or legal 40 in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Okay, that's Puerto Rico. Coming in loud as usual on 26.715. 26.915 is usually pretty active. Doesn't seem to be anything on there right now. See if our friends on. Not there either. Okay. In the mid-band, legal 40, 26.965 to 27.405. In AM mode, because we are in the United States. There's the Super Bowl, 26.025, channel 6, channel 5 rather, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40. There's 38 lower sidebands. There's stuff on the AM channels. Nothing too exciting. Sounds like Mexico coming in there on channel 40. There's 27.555. See where that's coming from. Sounded like it may have been Europe.
You're 5 and 9, 59 on the last one, but it's a little bit noisy in here, like quite a few stations calling at the moment, so nice to hear you coming out of California this evening. Location on this side is northeast coast of Scotland.
Alright, so we got Scotland and California.
Time here is just coming up to 7:15 in the evening. Hear that?
So that's pretty good. The band is still a little bit open. Try up the fit triple again. World Radio. Some over the horizon radar. And South America coming in. Some more South America. Okay, we'll try the UK FM allocation. There's channel 40. Goes all the way down. That is. And 10 meters. Back to 25. Isn't much there. That band's usually pretty dead. A little bit different than the dipole. It is getting a little bit later in the afternoon. That makes sense. There's 385 lower sideband. So there's some DX coming in there. Let's back to AM. There's the local guys on 22, 225, yep, as usual. Splattered all over the fucking place. And there's channel 6, so they're going to be blowing smoke. Go back to the uppers. Yeah, Scotland's still booming in. Lots of crazy stuff coming on 27.7. 27.7 lower sidebands. Kind of data burst. Polytones at the end there. Could be a military signal. There's a carrier on 555. And there's some more DX cut, probably out of Europe, on 27550 upper sideband. This might have been the QRM we were hearing. Okay, let's give that a shot real quick. This is United States calling. Are we reaching? Hello, radio check. Hello, radio check. This is 2 Victor Sierra 672, United States, more mobile. You probably can't hear me. The antenna's probably about 1.5 megs away from where it needs to be, so shouldn't really be transmitting on that frequency anyway, without at least checking the SWRs.
CQ, this is 29 Lima Lima 105.
Alright, we got 29 Lima Lima 105. Republic of Ireland, and they're working, sounds like they're working some more 2 division stations in the US there. Let's put that back to channel 19 up 1 band, which is 27635. Okay, well 55 is, or 555 is pretty active, it sounds like. I'm going to change locations in the vehicle here and see if we can get to a less noisy location so we can continue this antenna test. And that is for the Browning, Tram Browning BR-140 26 to 30 megahertz professional mobile antenna, quarter wave base loaded standard DC ground on a NMO mount on the trunk. And it's a pretty good antenna so far. I've definitely beaten the Wilson, and about on par with the half-wave dipole I made there. So we'll be checking in shortly.